Welcome back to the channel. I'm Drew. Thanks for watching. Today we have the Bose Quiet Comfort Ultra headphones. These boys right here. I love this. It's not plastic anymore. It's these paper clips. Pull that off. It's only one. It's only one. Nice packaging. Clear the way right here. Press play, pause the rest. You got the cue to music, QR code to download the app. I mean, saving paper. You got the instructions right there on the box. I wasn't gonna read them no way, but we'll see. Let's keep our planet safe and sound. Recycling our box. So we gonna throw that down there. I'm gonna download the app actually. And while that is installing, yes, these are the headphones from the commercial with Tyler, Lisa, Don Tolliver, and Justin Jefferson. I'm pretty sure that you've seen these, but I don't even watch regular TV and I've seen the commercials. They've been everywhere. The good thing is they come with a case. It's a nice leather feeling case. Just protect them. They fold up nice. See that? Black on black right there. I think they come in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. 5 colors. They come in black, smoke white, Luna blue, sandstone brown, and the 60th edition white looks like, or gray, diamond. That's the color, diamond. It looks white to me, but whatever. These are over the ear headphones, as you can see. And it says it has up to 24 hours of playtime. We will test that. There is a little asterisk there. I believe it's without noise cancellation, active noise cancellation, but we'll see. It has multi-point Bluetooth for 2 simultaneous connections. So you can switch back and forth between your phone and a tablet, computer, or a phone. So I do like that. It has active noise canceling, echo reduction, adjustable noise cancellation, but that's all within the app. So you have to download the app to get that kind of function. I believe you need to download the app to do the active noise cancellation as well. We're going to see when I download it. And USB-C charging, which is a good thing. Always love that. And it supports hi-fi Bluetooth for all you audiophiles out there that really want to hear every detail. And you pay for the extra hi-fi on your Spotify's and or titles, with other YouTube music. So these feel really nice. Let me put them on. I'm not gonna turn them on, but let me put them on. Put them on the right way, first of all. You can see there, the turn. It turned out, actually. So I could be listening to the music this way. This is the left side, right side. So they turn out. I don't know. I feel like when I wear stuff, I want to turn them in. I want to lay against my chest like that and not out. But the quality is good. It's all hidden inside. This is too big for me. I mean, it's already doing a good job of isolating this noise. Like I can really hear my voice in my own head, and I can barely hear any noise outside of the headphones. Yeah. I'm pretty sure when I turn these things on, it's gonna be nice. You get auxiliary cable. I don't know, a foot. Is that a foot? 2 feet? 3 feet? How long is 3 feet, y'all? 3 feet? I think that's 3 feet. And we have our USB-C cable. Did it look cool? They're actually really, really light. They're really, really light. So I could forget that I have these on if I'm listening to music. They're not heavy at all. Let me see if it got any juice in them. Try to turn it off. So let's see. We got I'm guessing this is the power button right here. It's the Bluetooth button as well. And there's probably a multi-function button. Let's look at the packaging just to make sure. Yeah, it's a multi-function button. And it has a touch sensitive bar. Right. It goes with me. Right there, that's touch sensitive for your volume controls. Right there. And then we have this. It's a multi-function button. A lot of stuff has that now, where it's one tap, it's play pause. 2 taps is forward. 3 taps is backwards. It looks like hold is active noise cancellation. These are similar to some other headphones where there isn't particularly an on-off button. It looks like if you put them on your head, they turn on. You put them down, they turn off after a couple minutes, or they go to sleep. So I'm gonna push the button just to turn them on this first time, and then we're gonna see what happens. It's the left side, go to the right side. Battery came in at 60%. It's talking to me. So I'm gonna connect them. Oh yeah, it came up. Uh-oh. Okay. Ready to connect. Got the Bose Ultras. Let's connect. It's ready to be set up. Ooh. Starting setup. It's asking me if I'm not gonna set up a new device. Headphones. I think it's actually going through the app now. Select a name for these. I'm gonna call them the Black Diamonds. I don't know why I call them that. I'm just calling them that because they black diamonds. Okay, now we have a little demo. Let me see what it sounds like. Stereo. I gotta turn it down and turn it up. Just give me options. It's giving me options for immersive audio that moves with you. And I just turn it off. I might have to put some music in here. I don't know what kind of music I can put in here that y'all can hear it, but I feel like this motion one is giving me what I need. I'm just doing still, there's nothing. It still sound good though. It sound real good. And if I'm listening to it and it's still immersive audio, it's like, it gets a little quiet on this side versus this one. Yeah, we're gonna do motion. Okay, we got quick tips. I mean, I can't hear nothing. I feel like it probably was a little bit too loud. I could turn it down where I could hear not so loud, but this cup is not, it's very comfortable. It's very soft, very, very soft. Product tips. Am I gonna go through all this? Noise canceling modes. If I push the button, I can cycle through the modes. Which one is it on? Is it this one? Is it this one? No, is it this one? This one? Now I gotta get used to where the buttons are. Cause I've never had any like this. They are on the left. This is my right side, guys. The buttons are here on my right side. Oh, shoot. Okay. Immersive audio is off right now, but I want to turn it on. I'll turn it on. And you can personalize the experience in these headphones. I feel like if you get these headphones, you really need to do that so you can get them to exactly what you need. Okay. Let me turn something else on real quick. Multi-points on, active streams I'm listening to, so I'm put some music on, see what the different I am definitely not gonna play any of these songs for y'all because they are not. These are like one of my. I'm listening to bass. I got some Bose on. I want to hear all the sounds. I want all the bass. So I'm gonna play that. I think aware is if somebody's talking to you. It'll kind of dim it. But I'm going immersive, where it's all encompassing. It's just some EQ. Okay, so you know what I want to do first. I want to do the bass boost first. I'm gonna do the bass reducer first and see what happens. Okay, so it took a little bit out of the bass, but it's still there. I'll turn it back. Let's go to bass boost. No, it's front and center. Yeah. Okay, let's do treble. Give me the mids. Okay. I mean, honestly, you can run with these with the equalizer at zeros all the way across. I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna leave it right there. I mean, I gotta find, I mean, I feel like if I'm gonna listen to this, I'm gonna be banging in my ears. I'm gonna be having the bass all the way up. It's gonna be playing, maybe not, because it's so clear, I won't need to play the music so loud to get the same feel, because it's actually too loud. This is too loud. Looking at that, about half. And I still, if I'm on a bus, on the train or something, subway, I'm sure I couldn't hear anything at this level. I'm 100% sure I couldn't hear what's going on. That's what I would need to turn that active on, just so it'll turn it down a little bit. But if I want to drown out anything that's going on and not paying attention to nobody, I really could just, I'm gonna throw some other music on there that's copyright free. But yeah, I can go. I'm trying to, oh, yeah. Yeah. Get it, yeah. I wish y'all could hear, cause it sounds good. It's not too hard hitting where it's cutting out, distorting. It's actually, yeah, really clean. But I really need to be listening to like country or something that they're just singing and it has a lot of not heavy bass tones. It's probably like I'm listening to the same song because my head about the same. Oh, but yeah. Oh yeah. Hey man, you might lose yourself if you listen to some music on these. You know, you ever listen to some music and you just can't stop, can't help yourself. You dancing, you singing words. I enjoy these. These are a great purchase if you're looking for high-end headphones. Go in the store and put them on and put some of your music on. Definitely give them a try. We're gonna give that 24 hours a good test. But for right now, I think these are some of the best headphones I've tried so far this year. These are some quality headphones. If you want to up your music game in the new year, or you want to give someone that really likes sound and music a good quality pair of headphones. They are not cheap, so try to find them on sale. But go with the Bose QC Ultras. Quality comfort headphones. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell. It helps your boy out. I appreciate that. I'm gonna listen to some more music. I'm pretty sure I can hear. Yeah.